Chinki Drawing Arts! Today, we're drawing something big, bouncy, and totally huggable. It's a hippo! Grab your black marker and let's get started on this fantastic adventure. Let's begin with the outline. Don't worry, just follow along with me step by step. Draw the first shape. Now, at this curve here, great job! You're doing amazing! Who knew drawing could be this much fun, huh? Now, let's finish the rest of the shapes and details. Take your time, little artist. We're not in a race. There you go! Our outline is ready! Now comes the fun part. Let's go over the lines to make them bold and bright. Use your marker and trace slowly. Steady hands. And proud heart! It's coloring time! Are you ready to bring your art to life? Gray color, like a cloudy sky or a sleepy elephant. Chinky says, come on, let's play! Color time is every day. Red like apples, blue like sky, green like grass, so me oh my. Grab your markers, paint and pen. Let's make magic once again. Color time, draw with me. Sun and moon and a buzzing bee. Dots and dashes, line by line. Chinky makes it super fine. Draw a fishy in the sea, then a flower or a tree. Look how cool your drawing looks already. We won't stop. Flip, flop, pop. Up and down, side to side. Chinky's colors make you smile so wide. Draw your dreams and draw your heart. You're the star of every art. Slow and color time, yay, hooray. We make art in every way. Chinky's world is... Ooh, look at those colors shine. It's looking better than ever. Subscribe to Chinki Drawing Arts for more fun and easy drawings. And you did it! Just look at your drawing. It's bright, it's bold, and it's beautiful. Just like you. Give yourself a high five. You worked so hard, and it totally shows. Before we go, don't forget to share your artwork with someone you love, make them smile today, and hit that thumbs up if you had fun drawing with me. See you soon, little artists. Keep drawing, keep coloring, and keep shining. Bye-bye.